Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the online class of Political Science. Today, we are going to talk about the approaches or the methods to the study of political science. There are two methods to the study of political science. The first method is called as the normative approach, and the second method is known as the empirical approach. But today's class, we are going to cover only the normative approach. The term normative is derived from the Latin word norma, meaning precept, rules, norm or standard. So precept means rules, norm or standard. The normative approach study about the family, society, state and government and judge them and prescribe rule what they should be. The normative approach suggests ways and means by which an imperfect political or social order could be made perfect. Normative approach it try to make the imperfect society into a perfect society. Imperfect society means the society in which there is no peace. In the imperfect society, there is tension, confusion, problem, troubles, killing, fighting, murdering, looting, and so on. And in the perfect society, there is full security and peace in the society, state or country. In the normative approach, the thinkers primarily concerned with prescribing norms and values which are to be implemented in order to achieve harmony, peace, stability in common political life. The thinkers believe that peace and harmony is the only way which help to overcome numerous obstacles. So the thinkers, they believe that if there is peace and harmony, then we can overcome numerous obstacles. Obstacle means the problems, the troubles of the society. Overcome means to end all the troubles and problems or the war in the society. Therefore, Plato Republics, Rousseau's social contract are the example of normative approach. This approach does not study the things as they are. It does not study about the reality or the things that happen in the society. It prescribes certain form of conduct rather than describe events or facts. This approach ignores what is the society, what is the state and government, but it gives more importance to what the society, state and government should be. For example, Plato, Thomas Hobbes, John Locke, Aristotle, Karl Marx, and some other thinkers, they study about the state and government and prescribe rules, standards, or norms for the state without bothering whether the rules set by them can be followed and put into practice or not. Plato, after he studied about the problem of the state in Greece, he constructed the ideal state or the best state or the perfect state, and he prescribed many rules for the state to follow and implement. Implement means to carry on. Some of the rules, norms or standards prescribed by Plato or recommend and suggest by Plato which is not possible to practice in the state or society are the followings. Number 1. Rules number 1. All children in the state should be separate from their parents soon after their birth. No child should know his father or mother, or no mother and father should know his child. Rules number 2. The state should take care of all the children. The state should employ nurses to take care of the children. The parents are not allowed to take care of their children, to bring their children to their home, but all the children should be taken care by the government, by the state. Rules number 3. Children with disabilities such as blind, deaf and dumb, or those who cannot talk or see, must be killed immediately after they are born, because they will be a great burden to the state in the future. They will create troubles and problems for the state. Rules number 4. There should be no family in the state. All the people should stay in the same building of the state. All the people should stay in the same house constructed by the state or by the government. Rules number 5. All the ruler or the king should not allow to hold property. They should not allow to save money or wealth, and should not have family. All of them they should stay single so that they can pay full attention to the service of the state. All the ruler or the king they are not allowed to have family, to have children, and also to have wife. Rules number 6. The state should have the wise king or ruler who have wisdom, knowledge, and excellent character. Rule number 7. The state should have 3 classes of people, that is the ruler, army, and farmers or producer. Thus, all these rules prescribed by Plato cannot be put into practice or cannot be followed by the people in the state. Therefore, Plato's ideal state or the best state is only an imagination and has no concern with reality. Such state never came into being. It was a hollow plan or a beautiful dreams of Plato. The whole arrangement is more or less ideal rather than real and practical. Therefore, any study which is not real or not according to the fact is called normative approach. So, in the normative approach, the thinkers, scholar or political scientists, they do not explain according to the facts, according to the events or according to what happened in the society, but they pay more attention on making the rules for the state to follow. They make rules by using their own ideas and by using their imagination, which cannot be possible to practice in the society. So this normative approach is also called as the non-scientific approach because it does not explain the reality or the fact. So this is the meaning of the normative approach. That's all for today. See you in the next class.